cold out, and the Honda Element has a few issues in the cold that irritate the hell out of me. I'm going to show you one right now. I open the hatch closes itself. Now, I've been working out of the Element a lot this week, helping my friend Andrew open his store. As you can see, this crap here gets old when you're in here all day. I'm trying to get tools out, and it just keeps closing on you. Now, what's causing this is the fact that these old lift rods are ancient. You can tell because if the weather gets cold out and they start dropping on you, it means one of them's probably blown and the other one's not far behind. So let's swap them out with some new ones. It's been said that the lift cylinders off of the newer VW Beetles will fit on the Honda Element and will raise the hatch up even higher than the stock ones, giving you a little bit more headroom when you're working back here. Let's see if that's true or not. I'll give you the part numbers for this at the end of the video. Probably the easiest mod you'll ever do to your Honda Element. Pop that little joker off. Pops right off. I can tell you that this hatch just got a lot heavier. Come up here to the top and do the same thing. See? Boink. Now here's our new unit versus our old unit. And I know that difference doesn't look like a lot, but we're talking about leverage. So the little bit here will make a big difference in the overall swing of this hatch. These literally just push right straight on. You don't have to use any tools or anything. And these install, same way the old ones came out. It just pushes straight on. A little awkward because I'm having to hold the hatch up with my head. Just lift this up, pop this one on. No tools needed at this point. There we go. Let's do the other side. Still not strong enough to hold the whole hatch up because we're only working off one cylinder. Again with the screwdriver. Okay. Easy like pie. Let's do this one the other way. We'll pop in top first and the bottom. There we go. Now you can see we've got a whole lot more headroom here. I'm 5'11", plenty of room. Not gonna hit me in the head anymore. Goes right up. It's cold out this morning. Fixed her right up. You know, another reason this may be falling down is because of a little bit of extra weight I've added by putting in the actuator for the door and all that stuff, doing more door mods on it. Soon I'm going to be adding a USB charger back here for very strange reasons that I'll get into in that video. If you're enjoying these videos, maybe you want to like it, maybe you want to subscribe. I'm going to try and show you stuff every week. It's going to make your life with your Element a little better. See you next time on Scavenger Type.